Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Al Wilson, and we are going to react to the song Show and Tell. This would be our first time single take honest reaction. I hope all of you who are joining us for this reaction video are doing well. Show and Tell, that's what it is going to be. First time listening.
Yeah, let's listen to this one. Show and Tell.
That never knew how to smile till you came into my life. And these are the arms that long to lock you inside every day and every night. Girl, and here is the soul of which you've taken control. Can't you see I'm trying to show love is right? These are the hands that can't help reaching for you if you're anywhere inside. And these are the lips that can't help calling your name in the middle of the night. Oh, and here is the man who needs to know where you stand. Don't you know I've done all I can? So decide, oh, show and tell. It's just a game I play when I wanna say I love you, girl. So show me and tell me that you feel the same way too. Say you do, baby, baby, baby.
Wow, this was beautiful.
I didn't expect it to be this good, but this is good. It was nice. It was heartfelt, deep, passionate singing. The way it was sung was amazing, and it got better and better. The music got better and better as the song goes on. And it's just show and tell game. He likes to show it and tell her how much he means to him, and he expects the same from her if she can play along.
Yeah, it's so important in a relationship, it's something that I wish a lot of my clients as well as a lot of other people I know would follow, express your emotions, express yourself, especially when it comes to love and romance. If you don't really show it, if you don't really express it, in words especially, it's never going to really happen. You're never really going to reach or find out whether there's more that you can have in the relationship, or you can reach another level of love and fulfillment in your life. So it's really important to show and tell.
Show and tell.
Tell the person how much you care about the person, especially if you're already in a relationship. You know, if you're already in a relationship and, you know, things can get boring at times, things can get busy at times. There are many things that can occupy your mind. And it's really, really important to share your thoughts in an open, sincere way that, you know, look here, I know we are all busy. We're all thinking about the pandemic, thinking about debts, thinking about whatever's on our mind maybe. But look here, you are important. Maybe don't say that, look here. But, you know, I love you. You really matter to me. You mean a lot to me. Say it and show it even. Show it with your hugs and cuddles and touches. And in any way you feel fit or feel it's healthy to do. Show it, because that's when the other person also will realize, you know, it's been seen in so many movies. You know, in real life we may not really realize what's happening behind closed doors. But in movies, when you see, mostly it's, you know, just because the other person is not revealing how he or she truly feels, you know, the other person also keeps quiet. The other partner keeps silent. But usually both really want the relationship to work out well. They really want to have a healthy relationship. Just a couple of days ago, I was watching this movie called 9 Months. I don't know if you all are old enough to remember it or you all have watched it yourself. But in that, you know, it's all about that. There's so many scenes where it's all about really expressing what's on your mind. But that really doesn't happen, and, you know, you hesitate to share what's really on your mind. You hesitate to have an open discussion about things. And as a result, everything's going haywire. And then you lose out a lot of time in the process, and you may end up being alone. Or not getting that level of satisfaction and joy that you wanted or deserved in your life.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on this, if you'd like to share?
Show and tell. Yeah, it is something that, you know, if you love someone, and especially if it is not your friend's wife and your own wife, why not show it? What is the harm in not showing it? I mean, what is the harm in showing it? It's no crime. You're not doing a crime. It's supposed to be that way, isn't it? When both the parties are hesitant in admitting and also showing it the way it should be, what happens? It gives the wrong message that he's not interested or he thinks she's not interested. And both of them keep reading something that is not even said. It's only the clues and clues and clues. Where is the real item? What are we running after? We don't really get to know. How many clues are we giving when there is nothing at the end of it? Why give wrong clues when you are not leading the person to something that is hidden? If you truly are devoted to your partner and your partner too is devoted to you, then what is the need of the clues? Why wrong clues given for no reason? At the end of those clues, there is not going to be a jackpot. There will never be a jackpot. So it's a daily life that matters in relationships. I say one day at a time. Today you're feeling happy, be happy with each other. Tomorrow you're feeling happy, be happy. Maybe day after it won't be happy because of so many other reasons. There were bills to be paid, somebody forgot and things like that. And, you know, you argued about it. That day will be bad. But next day try and patch up and again live it together. As many days you can. The same way life goes on. Show and tell.
Yeah, that's it for this one.